if you read this question, it states the model of a ship is made to a scale of 1:200. So scale here is given to be 1:200. Scale factor K is equal to 200. Okay, now we shall read the questions. If the length of the model is 4 meters, find the length of the ship. So length of the ship, when it comes to the length, we multiply the length of the model by K. So length of the ship is equal to K times length of the model. K here is 200 and length of the model is given to be 4. So length of the ship is 800 meters. Okay. Now if you see, both are, even the model is quite big. Even the model of the ship is like 4 meters. Okay. So therefore you don't need to change the unit here. Unit is in meters. The model unit is also in meters. The length of the actual length is also in meters. So even the model is quite big. Okay, so if 800 meters, you don't need to change it into kilometers. Normally in questions, what they do is they will specify the units. If they ask you to find in kilometers, they will write in brackets, right? Find in kilometers. Okay, but since meter is a sufficiently good unit for actual measurement and for model measurement also, so we leave it at meters. Next question is, if area of the deck of the ship is 1,60,000 meters square, find the area of the deck of the model. So
Good morning,
actual,
sir.
good morning, actual area is equal to K squared times area of the model. Right? So you need to find out the area of the deck of the model. So that means, what is the area of the model here? Is equal to actual area divided by K square. Actual area, if you see, is given to you here as 1,60,000 meter square. K here is 200. So we can calculate this. Okay, so this is 4 zeros are going to cancel. And so what is the area of the model? 4 meters square is the area of the model. Third question. If the volume of the model is 200 liters, find the volume of the ship. So actual volume is equal to K cube times volume of the model. Which is equal to K is 200. So 200 cube into volume of the model is given to be 200 liters. This you get as 200 to the power of 4, which you get as 16, right? 2 to the power of 4, and then followed by 4 pairs of zeros. Okay, you can also write as 16 into 10 to the power of 8. And this is in liters. Why is this in liters? Because when we took the this volume of the model is given to be in liters. So whatever unit that you are taking for the model, you will get the actual uh, measurement in the same unit. So therefore, we are getting here in liters. Because we have taken the volume of the model in liters. Okay, but they have asked you find the volume of the ship in meter cube. They are not asking you this in liters. They are asking you this in meter cube. So we are going to convert liter to meter cube. Now, if you remember that the relation between liter and meter cube is 1000 liters is 1 meter cube. This is the relation between liters and meters. Normally, they will give you this relation also. You don't need to remember. But I'm sure in physics you must have done this. That 1000 liters is equal to 1 meter cube. So therefore, 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. That means 16 into 10 to the power of 8 liters is equal to 1 by 1000 into 16 into 10 to the power of 8 meter cube. You need to simplify this a little. You write this as 16 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 cube meter cube, which is equal to 16 into 10 to the power of 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3, which is 10 to the power of 5 meter cube, which you can now write as meter cube. And that's your answer. Fine. Any question here? No question? Easy enough? I'll stop here
Yes, sir,
then.
no question.